Today on our fast features, we're going to be doing helical sweep. I'm going to show you guys under 10 minutes how to make a spring, and it is very simple. It's very quick, very easy. We're going to run through it very fast. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put on our datum planes firstly. Okay. Then we're going to say insert helical sweep protrusion. Okay. Now you need to select right-handed thread or left-handed thread. So meaning which way it's sweeping. We're going to say done. Now it's going to say select the plane. So we're going to select the plane to sketch on. So we're going to select that one and say OK. Default view, because you want the default view. Okay. Now, as per always, you need a center line. Okay. Now we are going to create the actual outside of our helical sweep. Okay. So it's going to be from here to here, like that. Okay. So this distance here is actually the radius of your spring or whatever you want to do with your helical sweep. So this is actually your radius. So say we wanted a 50mm spring, this is going to be 25 then. Okay. And then my length is, call it 200. Okay. So the length of my spring is 200. The radius of my spring is 50. And this, I'm just going to make this 100. Just so that it's symmetrical. Okay. Now we've done, so in other words, this is the length of your spring. This is the diameter of your spring, or the radius, but it's going to be the diameter because it's going to go both sides of this center line. Okay. So once you've done that and you're happy with that, we're going to say, okay. Now it's going to ask you your pitch. So again, you need to make sure what your pitch is. If it's a spring, obviously you need a distance between the actual extrusion that you're going to be doing. If it's a thread, you want it right next to each other, depending on the type of thread you want. If it's a square thread, so on and so forth. So it just depends on what you're doing. Yeah, just depends. So your pitch, so let's make our pitch say 15. Okay, we're going to say okay. Now, as you saw there, turn now. Because now it's looking for me to give it the section. So the section is actually the profile of whatever you're going to helical sweep now. So we always work within our crosshairs. So this here is always where the center of your profile will be. So not the center of your helical sweep, that is this section there that we just defined. You want to do the center of your profile. So whatever profile I've got, whether it may be a round or a square, that point there is going to be the actual center of that item. Okay, so let's just start with a basic round. I'm going to click there, I'm going to drag it out, I'm going to click, I'm going to make this 5, and I'm going to say enter. Okay, now notice nothing has happened yet. Okay, as long as I'm happy with that 5, all I have to do is say okay to my sketch. Okay, now again, nothing's there, so don't panic. All you're going to do is you're going to say preview, and it will give you that. So if you're happy with that, all you're going to say is okay. If you're not happy with that and you want to change, for instance, the pitch, you click on your pitch, you say define. Yeah, you can change your pitch, so let's make it 25, not 15. Say okay. Now again you can say preview. See, now it's got a different pitch there. Okay, and the same with your section. I can click section, define. I can change this now to, say, I can change it to a hex if I want, just as an example, or even something with half square, half rounds. Let's do that. Let's do it like this, this, like this, and like this. Okay, and we're going to trim that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, we're going to say select. We're going to just click on these two just to make sure there's no open points there. So if it highlights like this, it is an actual, it's a closed feature. So that's those two on top there, just remember that. Then you're going to say okay. Then again, you won't see anything. You go preview. Now, as you can see, it's changed the actual profile to what I just put in there. Okay. Then, if I want to change my actual size of the spring and the profile, I click on this SWP profile. We say define. We say modify, not redo. We say done. Okay. Now say I don't want it 50, I want it 75. Okay, then we're going to go, or 70. So we're going to go 35. As you can see, it's shifted. We're going to say okay. We're going to say preview. And now if you are happy with your spring, all you're going to do is you're going to say okay. And there it is. There is your helical sweep. Okay. Now again, if you're not happy with this and there is something you want to change, all you do is you click, right click, edit definition, and then you can change these like we just went through it 2 minutes ago. So as long as you click on it, you say define, you can change it to the new version, and then all you do is you do preview to see if that is what you want, and if it is, then you say okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is helical sweep. Very simple, very easy, and very useful. I've used this quite a few times. So you can also use this to create threads. If you want to cut the threads off of a bolt, then you would just be using the cut sweep feature. So you would go insert the helical sweep, the cut there, not the protrusion, but the cut. So then it would actually cut away from the material that you've designed. So that is the helical sweep. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it's helpful, and I hope you watch the rest of the videos. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips, and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.